Hi, hello, I'm Josie Robo. Welcome to a short series called What's Goin' On, where I try to connect with my Goan heritage. Today we'll be making sannas. I found this recipe on a great cooking blog and will link it below. Let's go! Use 2 cups rice, 1 tablespoon yeast, 2 teaspoons sugar, and salt to taste. Oh, and don't forget the coconut, dried or fresh. First, wash your rice. Drain the starchy water and pour 2 cups fresh water. Leave this to soak overnight. After about 8 hours, drain the soaking water from your rice. In another bowl, combine your yeast and sugar. Add water and let it bloom. In a grinder or mixer, add coconut flakes to the soaked rice. Blend until somewhat smooth. In a large bowl, add the yeast to the rice mixture. Add salt to taste and stir everything well. Let it ferment for 2 hours. My mom has a special steamer for these sannas. Use olive oil or cooking spray to grease up the trays. If you don't have these trays, use ramekins instead. Stir the fermented mixture thoroughly. Ladle it into the trays. Once the water in the steamer is boiling, place the trays inside. Let these steam for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium-high heat. After your timer is up, remove the trays from the steamer. Once they are a little cooled, you can use a knife to gently remove the sannas. They should be soft, like a pillow of rice. Enjoy!